Hello, hi guys. I welcome you to Current Affairs Smart Kida Mock Test 26 March. Which organization is to hold PABI Anti-Terror 2021 exercise? The correct answer for the same is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Shanghai Cooperation is an 8-member bloc, as you can see here. It has made the decision that it will hold the joint exercise on PABI Anti-Terror during the 36th meeting of the Council of Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. This was held in Tashkent, Uzbekistan on March 18th. G.V. Ramakrishna passed away recently. He was the former chairperson of which organization? Correct answer for the same is Security Exchange Board of India. He has passed away after a brief illness. He was 91 years old. Which of the following states has got first formal indigenous knowledge system school? The correct answer for the same is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh Prema Khandu has inaugurated the first formal indigenous language and knowledge system school in East Kameng district. Khandu has said that the school will help in promoting and preserving indigenous traditions, culture and language. Mission Gramodaya was launched in which state? Correct answer for the same is Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, Mission Gramodaya was launched. Under the Gramodaya mission, housing facilities in rural areas and basic and fundamental infrastructure will also be expanded. Which state government is to launch Universal Health Scheme from May 1, 2021? Give your correct answers. The correct answer for the same is Rajasthan. Rajasthan will launch, this will be known as the Mukhyamantri Chiranjeevi Yojana. Government has announced Universal Health Scheme with the 3,500 crore in the upcoming financial year, where cashless health services will be up to Rs 5 lakh. World Water Day was observed on which of the following dates? Kindly give the answer. World Water Day was observed on 22nd March. This is observed by the UN since 1993. It focuses on the importance of fresh water. The core focus of Water Day is to support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 6, Water and Sanitation for All by 2030. World Puppetry Day 2021 was observed on which of the following dates? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is March 21st. On March 21st, the World Puppetry Day was celebrated. World Puppetry Day is celebrated not only to celebrate the art but also to celebrate the puppeteers. India, China and other places in Asia have puppet theatres. Also in Americas, Native Americans have used puppet-like figures in certain rituals. Which organization has launched Global Integrity Program in a battle against match fixing in collaboration with United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime? The correct answer for the same is FIFA. So FIFA has launched it. The new initiative aims to provide all 211 member associations with enhanced knowledge and tools to fight and prevent match manipulation. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has recognized the Indian Style Wrestling Association of India as National Sport Federation. Under Indian Style Wrestling Association, which sport will be covered, which sport will be promoted and regulated? Kindly give the answer. Very simple answer, Indian Style Wrestling. You can see the Desi Pehlwani, the Desi Kushti has been recognized. Due to it coming under the Sports Ministry receiving recognition, it is now eligible to receive fund and support from the government. According to the Repeat India Trend Book 2021 released by Ernst Young and Indian Private Equity Venture Capital Association, Indian e-commerce is expected to be worth USD 99 billion by which year? The correct answer for the same is 2024. By 2024, India's e-commerce will be $99 billion. Grocery, fashion and apparel are likely to be the key drivers of this incremental growth. As per the latest data from Reserve Bank, foreign portfolio investors have pumped in a record how much amount into equities so far this fiscal up to March 10, which is the highest since financial year 13. Correct answer is $36 billion have been pumped it into the equities. NABARD's wholly owned subsidiary NAB Sanskaran Trustee Private Limited has been appointed as a trustee for how many crores of credit guarantee fund under Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund? Kindly give the answer. The correct answer for the same is 750 crore rupees fund. The whole fund has a corpus of 15,000 crore, but the NABARD Sanrakshan Trustee has been made the trustee for 750 crore credit guarantee fund. To bring more people under the ambit of health insurance, IRDAI has hiked the maximum cover under the standard health insurance from Rs 5 lakh to what amount? Correct answer is 10 lakh. Now, it is mandatory for the insurers to offer a sum insured between Rs 50,000 to Rs 10 lakh under the Arogya Sanjeevani policy as against the previous range of 1 lakh to 5 lakh. Reserve Bank of India has reported what percent growth in India's software services export in financial year 20? Correct answer is 9.1%. Which state has launched the UPFPO Shakti portal as a part of Kisan Kalyan Mission? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh has launched it. The farmer organization centric portal will bring farmers, producer groups, traders, and the agriculture and other allied departments of the UP government on one platform. Which state and ITC have signed MOU to execute a watershed program? Correct answer is Karnataka. Karnataka and ITC have launched this program. This will give the government team to apply the company's drought proofing framework for planning, implementation, and monitoring of the program. Shaheed Divas 2021 was observed on which of the following date? Correct answer is March 23. March 23 is the day of the Shaheed Divas when Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev were martyred. The other day is January 30. World Meteorological Day 21 was observed on which of the following dates? Kindly give the answer. The correct answer for the same is 23rd March. The aim of the day is to commemorate the establishment of World Meteorological Organization. Which song is announced as the official song of ICC Women's World Cup 2022? Correct answer for the same is Girl Gang. Girl Gang has been sung by New Zealand singer Gin Wigmore. The tournament is going to be hosted by New Zealand from March 4th to April 3, 2022. CA Rover Holding, an US-based private equity fund, has sold what percent of its current stake holdings in SBI Cards and Payment Services worth 3,728 crore? The correct answer for the same is 4%. 4% stake has been sold by it. Thank you for watching. I shall see you this evening with current affairs for 27th March. Thank you very much.